Hi everyone, my name is Parantaman Sanna Farmukam. Okay, first of all, I would like to thank to my beloved lecturer Dr. Bintang Handayani to give me this opportunity to me. Okay, today I would like to talk about the role in the development positioning of place interest. Strategy positioning of its unique resources and continued investment in the development project are pushing Malaysia to a new high in the world of MICE tourism. Malaysia is positioned among the top tourist destinations in the world, and with the affordable cost and close proximity to global headquarters on the Southeast Asian mainland, it is a regional hub for business tourism and embodiment of variety. The gem of Asia is deserved culturally as is geographically. Through just the 67th large country by the size, it is one of the only 17 mega-reserve countries in the world, highlighting its exceptional concentration of biodiversity. With so much to see just in one place, it is now wonder why tourism was the sixth highest contributor to GDP in 2014 and represent a central pillar of the country's economic diversification strategy. Malaysia features traditional aspects of business tourism such as rafting or inclusive beach resort, cave diving, and unparalleled golf courses. Malaysia was named the best golf destination in the Asia by the 2014 World Golf Award, but plans for sustainable MICE growth are aimed to leveraging the country's most unique resources to match evolving customer trend in the MICE segment. So here I would like to manipulate the deeper content, which is the West South Asia well known in the tourism industry. The increase of tourism industry because of marine life conservation project, working with unreserved population, learning about indigenous cultures and preservation effort and places like Rainforest Discovery Center all provide a variety of innovative way to meet these changes in demands. Investment has been a critical factors in enabling the MICE sector to grow. Peninsular Malaysia has a long reaped the benefit of the capital cutting-edge facilities such as the Kuala Lumpur Conventional Centre. Development elsewhere, on the other hand, has now provided the rest of the country with the necessary support to capitalize on lucrative MICE tourism. Major development projects such as Kota Kinabalu Waterfront Project and the Sabah International Convention Center, as well as the success of tourism development companies such as Krambunai Crop BHD in attracting outside investment, all highlight the potential of MICE tourism in Malaysia. Furthermore, for Western visitors, the countries of Southeast Asia represent a completely different culture. Instead of cathedrals, they will encounter temples. Instead of cold temperature and snow with the winter, they will be mostly immersed in a tropical climate. They can stay in a simple accommodation in remote fishing village as well as in luxurious five-star hotel in larger cities and on a popular island. So example, I would like to add one example which is a famous place in our country is Pulau Perhentian. The Perhentian Islands are small group of beautiful coral free island of the coast of southeastern Malaysia, close to the Thai border. Perhentian Besar and Perhentian Kecil are two main islands, big and small Perhentian. Kecil attracts more visitors due to the lower cost accommodation, whereas Besar caters more to families and those looking to avoid the backpacker parties